Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to add a domain to your Wix website for free. So, first of all, let's go ahead and go to the Wix. So here we go, Wix, and let's create an account in here. And basically guys, Wix is a like a website that will allow you to create websites online without any knowledge in creating in programming, etc. So now I'm going to choose, for example, this email to log in with. So let's write that, and here we go. So this is my account, this is how it looks like, and now all we need to do is actually make a store. So we can go here to create a new site, and here we are. Now this is our site. Here we can choose either we want it to be online, portfolio, blog, consultant, or technology company. So I'm going with this one. Next, and I'm going with that, and then next. Here you can choose your business name. So I'm going to choose Wix Tutorials, and click on next again. Now all we need to do is wait for it to load. Here I'm going to choose blog. We can add some forms, video, and so go on. So now I'm going to click on next when finish that, and now I'm going to the dashboard. And here we go, preparing your dashboard. So it can take some time, maybe like a couple seconds, or maybe it can take a couple minutes, but it will not take like that long overall. Now you can here add your first service, set up payment method, connect custom domain, so go on. So how we can create or add our domain? So first of all, we can click on here to connect domain, and here enter the web address you want for your website. This can be domain you want to buy or one you already own. So let me go over here. So here we go, Hostinger, and from here I will just log into my account, and let me just do that, do this, and hopefully they will give me into my account. So here we go, this is my domain name, so I'm gonna pass it over here, then click on let's go. So what domain do you want to connect to Wix? Now as you can see, it's taken. So is it yours? So of course you can buy other domains. If you'd like to buy domains from here, you can just go here, get it, and as you can see, they will give you a free domain if you upgraded your plan in Wix. Now for our case, I have already a domain name. So I'm just gonna click on here. Yes, I own this domain. Upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect your domain. So let's click on upgrade. Now they will take us to this page where you have to pay some kind of money for your website. So there is multiple plans. There is this website plans, there is this enterprise plans, and so go on. So in our case, I'm going to use this connect domain with this connect plans. So this one will only allow you to custom your domain and add a free SSL certificate, so your website will be HTTPS and not like HTTP, for example, in some websites, and those will make your website more secured and more protected. So when you select that, all you need to do is go ahead and choose what you want from these. So you can keep going with, for example, the normal one. Here, guys, you only have to put your credit card, the way of payment method. So you can choose credit card or PayPal. You can choose whatever you'd like from here. Here, the invoice details. And when you click on submit purchase, your Wix actually domain will be changed to whatever you have chosen. So now as you can see, if I went to, for example, to my website, after I finish everything in here, my website will not be like some random stuff.wix.com, but it will be www.minerva.com, which is the domain name that I have chosen. But before we do that, actually, they will give you a EDS address to add. So what you have to do is go to your cPanel of your domain, and then go to manage, and here guys, as you can see, it will open this page. So it is pretty simple. You can either go to DNS, um, DNS slash name servers, and from here go to the name servers, and if they give you a name server, you can just change them from here. So here we go, and change it to whatever you'd like, whatever they give you. In case they give you some DNS record, you can just go all the way through here, and for example, if they give you a C name, you can just put here C name, here the name, here the targets, and this one will, you will keep it default. Then click on add record. Else if they give you an A4, you can just here add A4, here at, and here the IP that they will give you. So this is an example for C name, and the example of like type AAAA, it will be here instead of a name like that. It will be actually an IP address. After that, you just have to add a record, give it a little bit of time, so it can take a lot of time. Sometimes it can take to 5 minutes or 10 minutes. When this finish, when you refresh the page, it will take you to your own domain name instead of the wix.com website. After that, go to the SSL in your domain, and here guys you can go to your hosting or whatever thing you have in your domain and add to the SSL that they will give you with this plan, because this plan comes guys with the SSL certificate. So as you can see here, here we go. Now as you can see here, it gives you a free SSL certificate, which is pretty much good for a decent price actually. So it will give you SSL, custom domain, storage space, bandwidth, and lead capture phones, feed, perform, and some good ones you can see here, and of course some customer care 24/7. Now this is all you need guys to actually connect your domain name for free into your wix.com. Now, let's say that you don't have a domain name. What you have to do is simply you can buy it from Wix itself. So as you can see here, if I bought, for example, this, I can click on you can buy this now, and they will take me to this page. So here they will give you the domain purchase. So basically, I highly don't recommend this because it is so expensive. As you can see here, it is $45.95, which is insanely huge and expensive. Instead, I highly suggest that you go to one of these websites, which is Housinger, GoDaddy. So let's try, for example, GoDaddy. And here, guys, if I type the same name, let me just go to GoDaddy, English, English, and here it is. So let's try to copy, for example, the same website that we want. So here we go, and let's check the prices. So as you can see, the price is $2. Like imagine $2 for this website, as you can see here. So let me just remove this and we will be able to see everything. So this is .com, .net, online club. You can see all these kind of prices. So Minerva.shop, it is for only $2. Like imagine how much you can save instead of buying from Wix itself. So what I highly recommend, buy your domain name from another supplier of domains, and then from here guys, go ahead and buy this plan, which is $1 plan, for like it's gonna be in total $3 in total for you to have a wix.com a domain connected and a domain as well. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. That's how you can add a domain to your Wix for free. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.